Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to work on something separate than the book. So this is going to be a separate example. You have the picture on the top. You can follow as I'm drawing. So I'm going to need two circles. One with a radius of 25. And the other one is going to be a diameter of 27. So I'm going to go ahead and click on diameter. I'm going to type 27. There's going to be a distance between these two circles of 40, so I'm going to just draw a line from here. I move my cursor to the side, and I'm just going to type 40. Will get me to that line. Now I'm going to use the useful command copy, or press copy here, or just CO for copy. I'm going to copy these two circles, press enter, pick it up from the middle, drop it off where I need it, which is right there. I'm going to draw a line, press shift, right click, tangent, from here to tangent, again here, again another line, tangent, from here, right click shift, tangent to this one, escape. I'm gonna need to trim these parts before I get confused. Delete. I actually didn't need the tangent lines right there, so I'm gonna do a tangent line for this one, and we can erase the other one. Escape, line, tangent from here, tangent to here. TR for trim, or just click on trim. Erase the parts I don't need. Delete. This is going to be a 3D object, by the way. So we're going to start by drawing it a 2D and changing it to 3D, which is going to be very simple and easy. I'll show you in a few steps on how to do this. I didn't need this part, so I'm going to just erase that part. I need a line from here, so the center of this circle, and I'm going to draw this to be 45. Escape. Draw a circle with a diameter of 12.5. Draw a circle with a diameter of 25. I mean, not the diameter, but the radius of 25. Right click shift, tangent, and I'm going to connect it to here. Or I could just extend that line, either way. It doesn't really matter because we're going to use this as a 3D object. So we're going to have to change it to 3D. And once we do that, we're going to union the whole thing. So I'm going to go ahead and draw the radius for the circle. And there is a rotation of 15 degrees. So I'm going to RO for rotate, or click on rotate, enter. Pick it from the middle, from the center, and I'm going to type 15. So that just rotated at 15 degrees. I'm going to offset this line by 25 to the side, and I'm going to offset it again by 20 to the side. I'm gonna draw this line to be 48 degrees, 48. So I'm gonna go ahead and draw this line to be 48 actually. Now I'm gonna offset it by 25. Offset it again by 20. I'm gonna erase this before that. Offset by 20. Connect these two lines. Now that looks nice. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and draw an arc. Again, in here, I know where to start, I know where to end, and I know the radius of my arc. So I'm gonna choose that option, start here. Start here, end here. Oops, sorry. Start here, end here, and I'm gonna go up. I was choosing the wrong start point. No wonder. I'm gonna go ahead and do 100. I'm gonna draw a line, continue this line for 35, and I'm gonna go ahead and offset this line by 20 and by 20 again. I'm gonna draw a circle connecting from that point to that point, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do a circle with a diameter of 16. I'm gonna trim the parts I don't need. This looks really nice. I'm gonna have to delete this part. You notice in the picture there is a hidden line right here, which the distance has been given as 25. So I'm going to need to draw that in 2D, even though it's a line that you don't actually see in 2D. You're going to see it in 3D, but we're going to have to draw it in 2D in order to easily change our drawing to 3D. So I'm going to draw a line from here, and I'm going to go ahead and do a 25. I'm just going to draw a construction line straight up, trim the parts I don't need, and delete the parts I don't need. Perfect. Now this drawing is ready to be changed to 3D. In order to do that, and here's what I need you to pay attention, it's actually very simple and easy. You're going to click on the corner right here and change it to 3D modeling. Now you're in a 3D modeling space. Everything has changed on the top, as you notice. You're going to come and click the corner of the top view right here. You can change it from here too, so it doesn't really matter. I'm going to do top again. And I'm going to do SE isometric. I'm going to press pull this part by 12. This part by 40. So each time you click on press pull, what it does is selects the location, the area you want to press pull it. So pay attention, if you do the inside of the circle, then that circle is going to be press pulled. We're going to do the outside area. That's why we're going to click on the outside area. And you're going to press pull that by 16. Perfect. Now I'm going to change it from 2D wireframe to shaded with edges. Click on shift, hold the circle, the mouse, the cursor of the mouse, and you can rotate this around. I'm going to click on copy or CO for copy, press enter, pick this up from this corner right here, match it to this corner right here. Press escape. You're going to have to rotate this one more time. This time you want to look at it from the side. So I'm looking at it from this side, and I'm going to need to move. Click on move or M for move. Press on this object, press enter, pick it up from the middle and match it to the middle of this. Perfect. Press on shift and move this around again. Now click on union or type UNIO for union. Click on the objects that you want to union. Once you select them, you press enter and everything is now unioned. So this whole shape is one. So you can just click on move again, select the object, pick it up from center of the circle or anywhere, move it to the side. Now you have the 2D drawing right here, which you don't need anymore. So you're going to select this whole thing and press delete. And there we have it. This is our 3D object we designed in our channel. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments section if you have any questions and I'll be glad to answer them. I'll see you in the next video.